Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to add a credit card to skip the DCs. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is open up the Skip the DCs app if you are using it from the device or mobile device, or if you are using it from your PC, simply open up your browser and then on the search bar type in skipthedcs.com and then hit enter, and you'll be seeing something like this on the screen. That is the skip homepage. Now here what you need to do is log into your account, and once you're logged into your account, what you need to do is navigate to payment methods, go to your account settings and select the payment methods tab. Now what you need to do here is add a credit card. Click add payment method, and then once you do that, enter in your card details as prompted, and once that's done, click on save changes. Click on save to confirm your new payment method, and that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.